to the people of the forces and the public to inform you how far we have gone with the campaign and the problems we have gone through. And also to rebuttal some issues which were raised by one of the presidential candidates, that is the President General Museveni, what he raised about the British Cooperative Union. Now, number one, as we're traveling, our roads are very bad. Of all the candidates who are traveling on road like us, have seen this. Of course, we know there are some candidates who are just going on in the towns. But for us who are going, who know that the people of Uganda are in villages, who are going to villages, we're getting huge problems in the process of travel. We have slept on the way 4 times, and all of you have seen it. You recall when we went to Karamoja, when we left Moroto, we were going to Kabong, and we were passing Kotido, the road was bad. From Kotido to Kabong was bad. From there to Abim, we could not make it in time for Abim, and we all slept on the way on that day. And you also know that you cannot do a campaign where you sleep on the way because we have fixed period of time. Recently, we slept in, when we were in Kitugum, when we went to Acholand, you saw the places we went. You recall when we were living in Oya, to come to Gulu, you saw that was the border between Omoro and upside Amuru. You saw we got stuck in the water. But because we had good cars, we managed to cross. And when we crossed, of course, we got people who were stuck on both sides. We had to ask our boys, the drivers and the girls, to start transporting them for that period we were there. That clear, that clearly showed that this country is here in problems. Now, recently we were in Agago, Adel, when we left Kitugum, of course, from Guru to Lamo, you saw how bad the road was. It delayed us the process, and we could not be able to finish all what we had planned. So we reached Lamo late, we reached Guru late, and we could not go to Muchuni and other places we had put on the program because of the roads. Now this shows clearly that the campaign with a fixed period will need to really be adjusted to take care of this. Now we went from there. Of course, when we reached Guru, Kitugum, we interfered with the police with the help of military. And good enough, our people resisted, and we wanted the police and the military that this campaign is being managed by Electoral Commission, not by police and military. So if the Electoral Commission believes that they cannot manage it and they have given police and the army, they should also tell us so that we make a decision whether we're dealing with the army or we're dealing with the Electoral Commission. Now from there, of course, we went from to Padel. From Padel, we could not cross. Even in Padel itself, we got stuck. Of course, when we get stuck, we get other people in trucks, in other means of transport. There are goods on the road. You see people's matoke getting ripe, tomatoes getting ripe, maize getting ripe. It is a nasty area. So we crossed, we reached Padel. And when we reached Padel, of course, we managed. You know how long we took there. By the time we went to reach Karongo, time had passed. But of course, we kept on going. Now from Karongo, we're going to Patono. Now you recall, we had to pass a water lake. It was a lake on the road. And we lost, in that process, we lost 5 cars. They could not make it. They were all died there. Now, Electoral Commission cannot pay us the cars. Government of Uganda, which is supposed to give us good roads, I'm sure it can't pay us also there for that. That clearly shows how people are suffering, are losing property. We lost 5 cars, and you recall we abandoned those cars in Karongo up to now. We don't know if when they will come here, but that was the issue. Now we left after Karongo, we reached very late. We got police again interfering, not knowing that our delay was not ours. The delay was for the bad roads. While the candidate Museveni is flying in the air, for us we were on the what? On the roads. Now by the time we reached Karongo, it was late, whereby police should have understood, even the Electoral Commission should understand, and that's why we're calling on the Electoral Commission. Number one, they must find a way, either they extend the number of days for the campaign, or they allow us to campaign, because I have reached an area, I have suffered on the road, not because of myself, but because of the poor road. And you, Electoral Commission, knowing the infrastructure of our country, you decided to have days fixed that we should do the campaign. So that's how, again, we got a problem. And I think what is important, every presidential candidate should be given an electoral commission, electoral staff to come and assess what we're going through. so that they understand what the election is about. It's not an election of just running to reach a district and go away. It's an election to reach somewhere, do a campaign, talk to people, market your manifesto. Unless it's being done deliberately so that we cannot market out our manifesto. So from Patongo to join back to Padel, so that we wanted to cross to Lira. We couldn't. The whole place was on an island. We decided to go and said that we have to go back to Padel. When we went to Padel, of course, again, you remember, we got stuck. We pushed the cars, we pushed the cars, we pushed the cars until 2 a.m. The others, again, we lost another 3 cars there. You recall we had to abandon 3 cars. So 5 plus 3, those are 8. By the time we reached Padel now to connect to Lira, we got another place. And that's why we slept on the way. Having slept on the way, the day of yesterday, which is for Budaka, could not be started at 10. We had to reach here at 2 p.m.